Hello everyone, welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth Sudoku. A four-star Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper of Friday, July the 17th. And this Sudoku, four-star Sudoku, will be number 1176. And before I start, I want to count all the printed numbers. Previous one has 25, this one I think 24, but let's count. 3, 5, 8, 10, 12, 15, 19, 22, plus 2 is 24. Yes, correct. A four-star Sudoku with 24 printed numbers. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. Let me see which number I can use. How about the number A7 in this column, A7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only three places for the 7 should be here, or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the middle row, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only three places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. How about the number 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 6 should be there. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 3 boxes. There 6, no 6 in those 3 boxes. One box left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only place for the 6 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 6, I see. I need to wait for more information. How about the number 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places in the last column for the number 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 1. How about the number The number. 5, 9, Yeah. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those numbers are the 2, the 3, and the 8. 2, 3, 8. We see here 2, so no 2 there. We see here 3, so no 3 there. So one digit left should be the 8. Here we have the 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait for more information. How about the 8 in this row, 8 in the second row, so in the row below. The only 2 places for the 8 here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And then 3, 5, 9. Ay, 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 ay. 9, 4, 2. Yes. 4 missing numbers in the last column. Those 4 missing numbers are the 2, the 4, the 3, and the 9. 2, 3, 4, 9. 2, 3, 4, 9. 2, 3, 4, 9. And look, with a 2, 4, and a 9 in this row. So no 2, 4, 9 in this in this box. So one digit left should be the 3. 2, 4, 9, 2, 4, 9, 2. We have a 2 and a 4 here in this big square. So no 2 and a 4 here. That means one digit left should be the 9. Here we have the 2 and a 4. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. These 2 in this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Then yes, 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number is a 6. We see, wait. 3 missing numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. 5, 6, 8. We see a 6 and an 8 in this big square, so no 6 and an 8 in this box. One box left, one digit left should be the 5. 6 and the 8, 6 and the 8 are left. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait for more information. Three, 4, and 9. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in that box. One box left for the 8 should be here. One box left in this row for the number 9 we have. Number 6. 6 is missing, yes. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So in the row between the only 2 places for the 6 here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 2. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. One number left in this second column for the number 2. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. One box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 9. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 9 goes there. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 9 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 9 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 4 should be there. One number left in the last column for the number 2. Then two numbers left in this column for the numbers 2 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. Alright. Let me think. Well. Yeah, 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here also 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. Then let me think. 5, 3, and 4. Alright. Yeah. So, eight and 5, 5 and 3. Yes, in this column, 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers. 1, 2, 3 is missing. The 5 is missing. And the 8 is missing. 3, 5, 8. 3, 5, 8. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here so 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. 5 and the 8. We see here 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 8 goes there. One number left in this big square for the number 8. Then 2, 3, and then 9. One number left in this big square for the number 5. Very tough. 2 missing numbers, the 5 and the 4. No, I cannot do something here. 5 and a 4. 8. 2, 2. Well. 1, 2, 3. Yes, the second row, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3 in that box. So the 3 could be here or could be there. And look, with a 3 over there, so no 3 here, 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers now for the numbers 4 and 9. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first column for the numbers 5 and 3. 5 and 3. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see, yes. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below, the middle row. So in that row, the only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see, yes. 1 number left in this row for the number 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 1. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 5 and 9. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Wow! Quicker than the previous one. I'm surprised. Yes, I like the Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the 5th Sudoku in this additional, a binary Sudokus will be. So I see you later, and bye bye for now.